Foxy Forex Trader here, back with another analysis and trade breakdown. Today's going to be a quick one. I was not on the charts really all day, and I really wasn't looking. And even right now, I will not look at the charts too much because I got to go soon, but I still wanted to make this video for you guys. If any of you watch it, get some trade ideas. So first we're going to do trade ideas, and then I'm going to break down my two trades, and then I will leave you guys with that. All right. So starting off, Euro USD trade. What do I want to see? I want to see this. We have a 4-hour fair value gap right here. I simply want to see price go into the fair value gap, retest it, and go down to these lows. Since we already swept at these lows, I wanted to take these lows. So your trade will look something like this. Place it above these highs and down to these lows. A nice little 1 to 2. Okay, simple, easy, nice. Similar thing on GU. GBP USD trade idea. We will be looking at the 1 hour. It looks cleaner. There's not much on the 4 hour, not many PD arrays that I'm looking at. On the 1 hour here, we have this propulsion block right here. And same idea as Euro USD. I want to tap into the propulsion block, go below it, retest it, and then go lower. Where would I be looking for my take profits here? These lows over here. Right here. So what could we be looking at is something like this. Stops above the highs, and you almost get a nice little 1 to 2. All right, NASDAQ trade idea. I was looking at this actually from the morning. I was on my computer on New York session, and I wanted it to happen, and it just slammed down. I never got it, but we're getting there now. We got this 5-minute fair value gap after the open. I want to see price invert the fair value gap, go above it, retest it, and then target these highs over here. Or those lows, should I say. You can also target these first, but I think that's the better option. So yeah, 5-minute fair value gap. I wanted to invert it, close above it, show some bullishness, and then trade execute. JAW. It didn't sweep like I wanted it to sweep, so I'm going to be waiting for that. As you can see, we are in trend down. You can clearly see we are going down. So unless it breaks it and shows a lot of bullishness, I would prefer to sweep and then look for longs. You could also, you could technically look at this 4-hour fair value gap and see how it reacts to this 4-hour fair value gap. Because if it reacts nicely, it is possible you could take longs and target these highs or those highs. So you can target these highs or these highs if you would want. Maybe play it a bit riskier under that. That's where the fair value gap was formed. You could go for a 1 to 1 or all 1 to 2. USD JPY trade idea, very simple. Into the 1 hour fair value gap, and simply I'm looking for the highs. So it's going to look like this. Below those, and target the highs. Nice little 1 to 2. Simple. Yep. Audi USD still trading in the box. Still trading in the box. I have an alert set here. As you can see, liquidity, fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap. If it does come up here and go sweep, go into the 4-hour fair value gap and start showing me bearishness, I might execute the trade. Since we're in a range, it just looks like it might go up again, and then down. You can even possibly take a trade here when it sweeps these lows and then look for upside potential, unless it wants to start doing some crazy stuff and breaking out of the range. But yeah, as of right now, it's just range trading. USD CAD. We saw it sweep. It swept. And it's very possible it can go down now. But it's not showing us any bearishness yet. And what do we have? We have this little roadblock. We have this 4-hour fair value gap, which tapped and it went back up. So I would want to see it price break through it and do something like that. And it would be a lower time frame scalp. So it wouldn't be something like this. It would be, I'd break it down onto the 5 minute and see what the 5 minutes giving me. It's for a tighter stop loss because this is pretty big range. But this is the general idea. And lastly, Bitcoin. It did not give me the sweep, so I will wait. I will wait patiently for that sweep. Unless Bitcoin decides to close above this 4-hour fair value gap and start showing bullishness, then I might bite the bullet for it to go back to all-time highs. But as of right now, it still looks like it's going down. Higher lows, higher lows. I mean, lower highs, lower highs. So I really want that sweep and then up. All right, so that was the ideas for tomorrow going into Thursday, 21st, London, New York, and tonight's Asia sessions. I'll do a quick trade breakdown. I had 2 trades. So it was literally the trade that I talked about in the forecast yesterday. I said sweep and go up. What did we do? We swept and we went up. I showed the trade last night. This was my trade idea. Stop here, below here. And I went for just a 1-to-1 today. Took that, was happy, you know. And then same thing with GU. It was in the trade forecast from yesterday already. My trade was like this, above those highs. And here I targeted, or was it? Yeah, like a 1.5. So those were my 2 trades today, up 2.5%. It was pretty good. And yeah, that's basically it for the video. If you guys liked it, comment, subscribe, leave a question, I'll answer it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. All right, see you guys.